In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new workspace on Notion. All you have to do is simply click your profile on the upper left hand side and you will have the option there under your email address to add a new workspace. So simple, go ahead and click on new workspace and you will be able to create a new workspace. And as you can see, it's going to ask you a few things. You can say for whatever. I'm going to say personal use. I'm going to say for my own. And for the time being, I'm going to just add, for example, let's add travel. For example, here, click and continue, and you can see that it's quickly getting ready right there. So that's how you'll be able to basically quickly create a new workspace on Notion. And as you can see here, I have the new workspace right there as well. That's it, guys. Now to easily find those different workspace, you can go ahead and click that profile on the upper left hand side as well, and you will see that you have the workspace there on the Notion. And that's it, guys. You can easily go ahead and create your workspace. They're very easy and very simple.